Wow, wow, wow. This is a gorgeous Plano, Texas high rise. Look at these windows. It's just beautiful. So this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. These are some lovely, lovely apartments here. This is as good as anything that I see in Dallas and Uptown and other areas of Dallas. It's a gorgeous penthouse. It's really made to have a lot of fun with. You've got a huge island, so you can serve a lot of people. You got a full kitchen with a lot of beautiful appliances in there to really take care of people. Also, it's a gorgeous place here. I love just the lighting, the colors, and of course the windows, just the light and everything. This is a perfect place in Plano, Texas, to have that penthouse experience that you want. Hey, if you want to take a tour of this or any penthouse or just one of the high-rise apartments here, here's what I want you to do. I'm going to make that super easy. Send me a text. Just use the number below. We can start with setting up a virtual tour. That's a live virtual tour where you can see the perfect place here for you that fits your time frame, your needs, your budget. So send me that text. I can have that set up as early as today or tomorrow. So if you work with me, what will happen is I don't have office hours. I'm always working, and I can reply to your text very quickly and get you the information you need and the tour you need, and it's always 100% free. I love working with my clients, and I look forward to hearing from you. Send me a text right away.